Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool place value chart, working with comparing and ordering with a problem related to TEKS 4.2c. We will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we've got 5 different national parks and we need to show them in order from greatest to least. And we've got all these numbers that go to 7 digits, the millions place. So let's build a place value chart over here on the side. And we're going to break it up into sections here. So I'm going to do it like this. All right, so I'm going to put my big periods over here. All right, so this is my ones, my tens, my hundreds, and this is my ones period. We don't say that period name. But then we can just use that same pattern again. We can say ones, tens, hundreds. Make that a little bit thicker there so we see the difference. This is my thousands period. And if we needed to, we had room, but looks like we only need to go to the 1 millions. But the pattern continues. I've got 1 millions. But if I needed to, I could go to 10 millions, right? I can go to 100 millions. We just won't use those last two on the left. So we want to build these numbers. And the best way to do it, if you start from the left, you might get in the wrong spots. I like to build these from almost from right to left, right? So like you got your 800 right here, you get your 372, and then you get your 4. All right, so that's my first number. I'm going to put CR right there. And then now that I know how far out that goes, the rest of them all go to the same number of digits, so you can just kind of build them like normal. You just want to make sure you don't put any of them too far left or too far right, because obviously each place makes a big difference. Because in our base 10 number system, what that means is that each place value is worth 10 times the value to the right, or each place value is 1/10 the value of whatever's to the left of it. And so shifting one place to the left or the right will make a big difference, 10 times worth of difference. All right, so I've got my Fern Gorge, I've got my Mirror Lake, and then I've got my Sunset Bluff. And let's make that 4298750. Now it makes a difference whether you're going to greatest to least or least to greatest. We are going greatest to least. So I'm looking for my largest number first. What we do is we always start in our largest place value. There's nothing in the 100 millions, nothing in the 10 millions. There is something in the 1 million. So we start there, and once we hit a number that's bigger than anything else, that's going to be our biggest. Every single one of these numbers has a 4 in the millions place, which means it's basically useless. Take a look at my hundred thousands place. I've got a 35332. Okay, so this 5 is already standing out. So this is going to be my largest number because 500 thousands is bigger than 300 thousands or 200 thousands. So I'm going to put EV right here. That's my Elk Valley. So I'm just going to put a cross through that because I don't need it anymore. Now, what's my next biggest? 3332. Okay, well, 333 are going to be the next biggest, but I can also say at the very end, it's going to be my Sunset Bluff because my 200,000 is smaller than anything. So now I just need to organize Cedar Ridge, Fern Gorge, and Mirror Lake. I'll do that by looking at the 10,000s place because I have a 3, 3, 3 in the 100,000s place. So now I'm looking for 7, 7, and 8. So this 8 is bigger than the two sevens. I'm still looking from greatest to least. So now I can say my Mirror Lake is my next largest. But I've got a 7 in the 10,000s in both Cedar Ridge and Fern Gorge. Doesn't help me. So now we go to the 1,000s or the thousands place. And I'm between a 0 and a 2, and take a look at that 2. That 2 is going to be bigger, so that's going to be my Cedar Ridge. And then finally my Fern Gorge. And it doesn't matter that this Sunset Bluff has an 8, even though that 8 is larger than 0, that 2 in the 100,000s makes it the smallest. So my answer is A.